The day that the spirit and the angels will stand forth in ranks. يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الرُّوحُ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ صَفًّا. That day, the spirit, who is the spirit? Hadrat Jibreel Amin alayhi salatu taslim. The spirit and all the angels stand forth in ranks. They stand forth in the ranks. And Allah says, La yatakallamun. No one will speak. None shall speak. Illa man adhin lahu rahman. Except any who is permitted by Allah. Allah gives the permission to anybody, that person only speak. And Allah Ta'ala says, وَقَالَ صَوَابًا. Whatever he says, that wordings, that those sentences should be correct. وَقَالَ صَوَابًا. He should say the correct thing. He should not say the wrong things. If Allah has given the permission for the intercession to anybody, he should say the correct thing. And he should say what is right, not the wrong thing. Allah will accept the intercession if the intercession should be right. If we see an example to understand this ayah, that suppose a person is there in the world, he has done so many sins, but in every year he do one deed that is called the Ghabi Sharif. The 11th day of Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani, the Ghabi Sharif. He has made so many sins and he never pray and never do the as-salah. He will not make any fasting, but continuously he does the Ghabi Sharif on the day of Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani. On the day of judgment, suppose Allah Ta'ala gives the permission to Hazrat Abdul Qadir Jilani that intercede to anybody, about anybody, I will accept. Suppose, and Abdul Qadir Jilani says that, "Ay Allah, oh Allah, accept my intercession. This is the person, he is my murid, he is my student. He had made the Ghabi Sharif and every year he may not made the salah, he may not made the fasting also, but he made the Ghabi Sharif and every year. Oh Allah, accept my intercession and forgive him and please give the entrance into the Jannah." Is this intercession is right? The person who made the sin and he who never made the salah and never made any fasting and made so many sins also, is this intercession correct? Is Allah accept this intercession from this Abdul Qadir Jilani rahimahullah? No, because this intercession is the wrong. Allah says, وَقَالَ صَوَابًا. To whoever Allah gives the permission for the intercession, he should say what is the right. وَقَالَ صَوَابًا. He should say the intercession as in a right sense, in a right position, in a right wordings. What is right, that should be said by the intercession. Then only Allah Ta'ala will accept. Allah Ta'ala will not accept the intercession towards or against the sinner, against the person who not believe in Islam, who not believe in Quran and Hadith, who just take the easy in Quran and Sunnah. Allah Ta'ala will not take the or will not accept the intercession against him. In the same manner, Allah Ta'ala says in the chapter number 20, a very good ayah, to give one more rule that what is the concept of intercession, what is the concept of shifa'ah. Chapter number 20, Surah Taha is there, and the ayat number 109, Allah says, a very good ayah. Allah says, يَوْمَئِذٍ لَا تَنْفَعُ الشَّفَاعَةُ إِلَّا مَنْ أَذِنَ لَهُ الرَّحْمَنُ وَرَضِيَ لَهُ قَوْلًا. Surah Taha, chapter number 20, ayat number 109, in which Allah says, يَوْمَئِذٍ لَا تَنْفَعُ الشَّفَاعَةُ, and that is the day, the day of judgment. On that day shall no intercession avail except for those for whom permissions has been granted by Allah. La tanfa'u shafa'a. The intercession will not be profitable. The day of judgment, that is the day. In that day, no intercession will be profitable to anybody. La tanfa'u shafa'a, except those to whom Allah has given the permission. And in this ayah, same Allah Ta'ala says, وَرَضِيَ لَهُ قَوْلًا. What the intercession says, Allah should accept those words, and whose word is acceptable to him. If Allah accepts those words, if He is agree with those words, then only Allah will accept the intercession. وَرَضِيَ لَهُ قَوْلًا. Whatever the intercessor says, Allah should agree with those sentences. Allah should agree with those words, then only Allah will accept.